So this morning I am off to Barangaroo to the Rejuvenation Clinics Australia for the launch of Rejuvaus Skincare range. Rejuvaus is a new therapeutic skincare range founded by Dr. Garry Cussell, who has been a skin specialist for over 45 years. Upon arrival, I'm given a glowing skin mocktail and sit down with Dr. Cussell to hear about the range. He explains that unlike other skincare products that feature, say, 1 or 2 active ingredients alongside water, oil and low-grade fillers, the Rejuvaus products contain the maximum amount of highly concentrated actives. Next up, I head in for a treatment with Sally, who cleanses my skin, then applies the Clarify and Renew AHA/BHA serum to exfoliate, followed by some of the delicious serums. I really liked the Repair and Refine ABC serum. It contains all 3 superstar ingredients: vitamin A, which is an encapsulated slow-release retinaldehyde, vitamin B3, which is also known as niacinamide, and vitamin C, which is care of a potent plant source, Kakadu plum. And the sunscreen, which I really love. It's an incredible invisible zinc that I will most definitely be using again. I'm really impressed with the products and I'm going to try them out over the next few months, and I will report back in an article on Beauticate. So stay tuned for that.